Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Talksbit.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just another cryptocurrency scam website. So they claim to buy, trade, swap 100 plus completely decentralized from zero to crypto in minutes on a world-class open source exchange. So they claim a lot of things, so they have the Bitcoin right here, Ethereum to really win. Talksbit is much more reliable, faster, and more efficient than other exchanges. So they also claim a lot of things here. And if you're wondering if this website is a scam, let's head on over to Scam Advisor and see that they are rated 1 out of 100. So as you can see, their negative highlights or positive highlights are that according to SSL, the certificate is valid and this DNS filter considers this website as safe. And that is basically it. So they have a lot of negative highlights. So this website doesn't have many visitors. We found several negative reviews about this website. We determined that this website is very young and has a very high number of spammers. This website has only been registered recently, and IQ Abuse Scan has been tagged for this website for phishing. So we actually headed over here to malware tips also, and they also claim that this is a website. So Talksbit.com is a fraudulent cryptocurrency trading platform being promoted through an elaborate scam on social media platforms. So this is the overview of the Talksbit Bitcoin promo code scam. So it is the latest fake cryptocurrency trading platform being promoted through an elaborate celebrity-fronted scam on social media. Using deepfake or voice dub videos, fraudsters impersonate famous figures like Cristiano Ronaldo, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Drake to receive fans into depositing Bitcoin. The scam works by distributing deceptive videos across YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. In the videos, the deepfake celebrities describe a special Bitcoin giveaway opportunity in collaboration with Talksbit.com. So that is basically it. So this website did a scam, which is claimed by Scam Advisor, which is a reliable website, and malware tips. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.